Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Mataram! Vande Mataram! 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 Mataram!
माता की माता की
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
Kibomday kasi ni kinon tribal kibasyong basa hasilong. Kilaik bansyong klay mongor. Hakan daylat menta kasngi ka art fly tarik lalangkot arjar puar. Menpenpau ke jing persya ya ke jing syak thombor. Man kapor ke jungki hasilong. Ya kaba kilapenkut hakapor sau biji jenmit hadin bakat Deputy Commissioner East Khasil District kelai jing bit yaki menpenlong ya kene ke jing yalang.
told them that why there is gap is extending, the tribal and non-tribal gap is extending last 50 years, and why whenever there is any incident take place, why the local people do not raise their voice. If somebody is burned to death, nobody talks. And then I asked somebody that you were born during 1979. He said, no, I was not born. Then I told him that you asked your parents that what brutality has taken place in 1979. This is not the humanity. Now, when a tribal people goes to Guwahati or Calcutta or somewhere, did anybody ask you that why you have come here? Nobody asked. Rather, when I told someone that I had a house at Calcutta, I got a Khasi family. I took them to my house. That I am also from Shillong. Come to my house and have a cup of tea, cup of coffee. Then they had coffee with us. So this is called humanity. When somebody comes from outside and you say that why you are a doctor, you cannot stay here, you cannot live here, you cannot. What is this? So this way we cannot bridge that gap. So myself and my wife, we say I am a senior citizen, and my wife is a kidney transplant patient. She had undergone kidney transplant in 2010, and she has also joined with me. She said that no, I will not leave you alone. You cannot sit alone. I will be with you. So I am thankful to her that she is giving companion to me.
But don't you think that there should have been more support from the Bengali community or the non-tribal?
No, there will be support. There will be support. It is a starting only. This is a beginning only. Now people will get the courage to protest. Somebody is beating me, I should protest. That why you are beating me. And if a tribal people going, they also should come and then ask that why you are beating him. Why? What is the reason? What the fault he has? What the mistake he has done? That should be the humanity. So this should come. It will not come in one day. You see, this kind of protest was never done before in last 50 years. We have just started, and it will improve. I hope that it will improve. Many Khasi people have come and they have appreciated us. That
You say that this kind of a protest has not been done in the last 50 years.
Never done.
Why?
Never.
Why did the non-tribal community not take up the issue and protest like this?
It is out of fear.
But if unity was there, why wouldn't that fear?
Because there is no unity. Lacking is there, no? Because there is no unity, we are not unitedly demonstrate anything. Now, two of us have started, at least 1,000 people have come today, and next time maybe 5,000 people will come. And administration is with us. I spoke with, personally I spoke with Isawanda Lalu. She is a IAS officer. Honorable DC is, of young generation. She understands the matter. She said you are going to the right path. We should not indulge in this. So we are getting support from this. MCS Martina Ditton is here since a long time. So we got all support from them because we are not doing anything wrong. We are not doing anything violent. We are doing peacefully. So that's all. It should reap a good benefit. I'm telling you.
Sir, if you don't mind me asking, I just arrived.
Yeah.
So, what is this sit-in demonstration about? I know, but for the channel, for the people who don't know, can you please tell us briefly what this sit-in demonstration is all about?
Demonstration is for that you see on 20th January there was an incident taken place near the police station, Lumjing City police station, and 8 people were severely beaten up near the police station. So I thought that there is no end of it. Every day something or other, another thing is going on. So why not let us begin protesting that the culprit should be booked and they should be punished. Then I told this administrative officer also that they should be booked, and they said that the process is going on, that will take place.
So, violence against non-tribals has been, is quite common out here. So, what do you think about that? Now that you're doing this sit-in demonstration, so you're raising your voice against this thing. You said this is a start to.
It should decrease now. Now people will whoever the I think a few percentage of people are doing all these things, supported by some. I don't know it is supported by whom, but it is not a mass people are doing all this. Only few people are doing all this. You see, I cannot, all of a sudden I cannot give you a blow. He also cannot give me a blow. That's unnecessary. So this will gradually decrease. This will gradually decrease. My intention is to bridge the gap between tribal and non-tribal. Let all of us support it. Let all of us, it is not my thing only, my thinking only, it should be everybody's thinking that why not we stay together. It is such a beautiful city. Shillong is a beautiful city. I am born here, and this worst situation we saw from 1979. So let us try, everybody let us try that to neutralize this.
Ma'am, one question. Today, sir and ma'am leading this sit-in demonstration. How do you feel about it?
It's a good initiative. Since my childhood, I never seen such sort of things. Somebody have taken some initiative. It's a very good initiative. We all should support, and so that maybe government will take some action.
How is your brother?
Now he is stable.
Where is he?
Huh?
Where is he? In hospital?
No, from hospital he got discharged. Presently he is at home.
So some people came from behind?
Yes, when he observed that some group of people, suddenly they appeared there with iron rods, knives, sharp objects. He thought that something will happen. But immediately he didn't close his shop also. He thought he will run away to, there is one, State Bank is there. He thought he will enter the State Bank, okay, out of fear. Then, this is his statement, okay. Then somebody pulled his collar and, yes.
No worries. And yeah. Carry on.
Yes. somebody pulled him. Then at first they attacked him. Okay, they punched him. Then he, out of fear, he could not even shout also. Then suddenly he was stabbed behind, below his waist, below that left hand side, below that buttock.
And he's been a resident of this place too.
Yes, long. We're a permanent resident of Lord